Sorry, Mother Nature. A cloud is not life to this world of ours. This life of darkness, not the way to be. The step you're taking is not the way of life. You might be taken by the shadows of darkness to see yourself wasted. I cannot see myself anymore. I cannot taste a meal in my mouth. This cloud is scatters in my mind. I cannot see, like a fog is taking life away. I'm sorry, Mother Nature. Your name needs to be mentioned. Teach us a lesson we won't forget, 'cause life is not a cloud in this land. This land we build a temple and a home. It's not the way of life to live behind a curtain, not smelling the fresh air outside. This life supposed to be with smiles and sunshine. Seeing a blue day as pure as night. If you understood where life meaning go, what I thought Master would say. This Forge Master will say, take these clouds away, melt it down every chip, so you understand that's not the way of life. Life is not something you program. It's a commitment from two. You don't put a shadow in the darkness of life to say you are alive. Look away from this clouds, see beyond the stars, see the shooting stars going past, see the movement of light. Don't become a black hole. Keep worshipping movement of light. Make a temple of enlightenment. Make a home to stand clear to this temple to see a Forge Master way. This armor of love, this armor of happiness is to show you to get out of the cloud, that mist in your eyes, to say goodbye. Don't be there anymore. Melt those pieces of your heart, those chips in your mind. See a better light. Make your life heard like an echo through the stars, like a power position holding this temple. This house is standing to see the lights through the curtains, to say it's daytime, to wake up with a miracle, to see through the window, open the door, see the life, see the smiles of a new beginning. Don't put your heart in the darkness and lock it away. Don't say goodbye to nature, 'cause nature is your friend and you love it so much. Even my cats say it's true, I'm there too. I love it so much, I don't want it to fade away like a cloud through the planet, to say goodbye to this nature. So be true to Mother Nature, show her some respect. Don't talk back like a child, like you don't know what's about. So be, love you, Mother Nature.